Hello traders, welcome to my screen view. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Extreme Trend Reversal Points Indicator for detecting trade opportunities in the market. At the end of this video, you will be able to build a powerful and effective trading strategy with the Extreme Trend Reversal Points Indicator. Using the moving average crossover for identifying the change in trend is very common. However, this method can give lots of false signals during the ranging markets. In the case of the Extreme Trend Reversal Points Indicator, we try to find the extreme trend by looking at fully aligned multi-level moving averages. We will only look at the moving average crossover when the market is in an extreme trend, either in a bullish or bearish phase. To apply this trading indicator on the price chart, type the keywords Extreme Trend Reversal Points on the TradingView indicator search box. Select the EP version by He Who Must Not Be Named. Here is the indicator on the price chart. Let me show you this trading indicator's most important settings before we proceed on how to implement it for trade opportunities in the market. Under the input settings, there's the source set to close. The type is set to Simple Moving Average. Under the style, there's the Bullish Trend Reversal Point. This will pop up at the top of the price with a red signal indicating possible bearish interest on the price chart. The Bearish Trend Reversal Point will pop up at the bottom of the price with a green signal indicating possible bullish interest on the price chart. Next is the indicator line parameter settings. The moving average plot is color-coded to display the trend strength. Green means extreme bullish. Lime means bullish. Silver means range market. Orange signifies bearish. And red signifies extreme bearish. Traders can modify this indicator to suit their trading style, but as a beginner, it's advisable to leave its default settings as is. Now it's time I show you how to use this trading indicator to detect buying and selling in real trading market conditions. First, let me show you how to apply it for the continuation of a bullish market. In a bullish trend, wait for the price to make a bearish pullback to the MA line, as we can see on this price chart. Next, watch out to see if the MA line acts as a dynamic support for the price pullback. Once this MA line acts as a dynamic support, then study the MA line to know if it turns into green, lime, or silver color. The color of the MA line would determine the strength of the potential bullish move. Silver color has a low bullish probability and most time could result the market in a ranging medium. To buy based on the silver color, it's advisable for traders to execute a small position size. Traders can add to their position size whenever the MA line turns lime or green. While the lime and green MA color has a higher potential bullish interest for the buyers in the market. A buy entry is okay at the close of a bullish candlestick above the lime or green MA line for the continuation of a bullish rally. Stop loss can be placed below the low of the test of the MA line. Traders can then proceed to ride the trend up. Let me show you an example of how to buy with this indicator in a trending bullish market. As we can see on the 4-hour time frame of US oil, the market was in a bullish trending market. After price tested the lime color, the MA line rejected the price upward. A bullish setup was formed. This is the right time to buy. Stop loss should be placed the higher-low swing in this bullish trend. Traders can target the next strong resistance level. Alternatively, traders could close their buy trade whenever the red triangle signal pops up above the price. Let's see how this buy trade will work out. Take profit target achieved. Now let's see how to sell with this indicator for the continuation of a downtrend. In a bearish trend, wait for the price to make a bullish pullback to the MA line, as we can see on this price chart. Next, watch out to see if the MA line acts as a dynamic resistance for the price pullback. Once this MA line acts as a dynamic resistance, then study the MA line to see if it turns into orange, red, or silver color. The color of the MA line would determine the strength of the potential bullish move. Silver color has a low bullish probability, and most time could result the market in a ranging medium. Execute a small position size to sell based on the silver color. Traders can add to their position size whenever the MA line turns orange or red. The orange and red MA color has a higher potential bearish interest for the sellers in the market. A sell entry is okay at the close of a bearish candlestick below the orange or red MA line for the continuation of a bearish rally. Stop loss can be placed above the high of the test of the MA line. Traders can then proceed to ride the trend down. Let me show you an example of a sell setup in a trending bearish market. As we can see on the 4-hour time frame of Australian dollars USD, the market was in a bearish trending market. After the price closed above the orange color, the MA line rejected the price downward. A bearish setup was formed. This is the right time to sell. Stop loss should be placed above the lower high swing in this bearish trend. Traders can target the next strong support level. Alternatively, traders could close their sell trade whenever the green triangle signal pops up above the price. Let's see how this sell trade will work out. Take profit target achieved.